The other day I received this item from this company, Vixie. They sent me these items to review and I want to show you what they look like and how it works. It comes in a box just like you see here. This is a magnetic mount for your car, for your vent, and I want to show you what's in the box. So what's in the box is really simple. This is what's in the box, really easy. You get an instruction manual, which you really don't need. You get a customer support card here. If you have any questions at all, you give them a call. They give you a nice VIP card, which is really nice. And what's in the box actually is actually very simple. Simple design here. So this is a magnetic ring, right? And this is the vent mount. So that's easy enough to understand. You put this in the event and you can mount your car, your phone right here very easily if you have a Magsafe mount. If you don't have a Magsafe mount, you can add these rings to your phone if it does not have Magsafe to it. Again, it comes with the prep pads, everything's all included in the package, and that's what's in here. So let's say, for instance, if you do have a phone, which I have one right here, this is a iPhone 14 Pro Max, and it does have Magsafe. I'm going to show you how it works. Easy enough to install. All you do is loosen up this part here, pop this in, make sure it's loose, pop it in, then you just tighten it up. And then you just put this into the vent. Now this is a quick connect, easy to the vent. You can see how just a couple of twists and that closes right up and that connects into the vent and holds the phone really well. Really strong magnet, as you can see here. Here's my iPhone 14 Pro Max. And will not come off. It's on there pretty well. It's a very strong magnet. You can see here. I like this design. So once it's on, it's really small, and then you just pop your phone on and you're good to go. Horizontal or vertical, as you can see here. I'm gonna go to my car right now, pop it in, and just show you exactly how it looks. Okay guys, so you can see now I'm in my car, and I'm just gonna pop this in my vent, really easy. As you see, I'll open it up, just enough here to get it inside. Make sure the vent is straight, okay? All you do is pop it right in to the vent, just like you see here, and just give it a couple turns, just like that. And that is installed, just like that. Make sure it's snug. That's perfect. Okay, and all you have to do is basically put on your phone. So mount it just like that. You can see horizontal or vertical. Put on so you can see here. So you can do horizontal or vertical. Super easy and actually very convenient. I do like this a lot because you just have to pop it off and just pop it right on, and then you can adjust the height. You can adjust the pivot left and right, as you can see here. You can just adjust this mounting here. Just tighten this up, make it looser or tighter. This comes out really easy, just like I showed you before, and absolutely fantastic way to go. So if you want like this, vertical, horizontal or vertical, easy. Here's your horizontal, here's your vertical. Again, super easy. Look at how that just moves like that. Just swivels, beautiful. Magnet just holds it really nice and tight. Definitely recommend. Easy. Look at that, how that comes off.